Hi guys, so when I crack the eggs, I first make sure to do enough that I am making for two people. So I want to make sure that I have enough eggs for two people. So usually about 5 eggs suits the two of us. As you see, I'm adding in coconut milk or almond milk. It's an almond coconut milk. You can add in whatever milk you want, but however, I see that the milk just makes the eggs a little bit fluffier and it kind of tastes good. And I put in about a pinch or maybe like an eyeball's worth, but you could really think about it as maybe 4 or 5 tablespoons. When I cut the vegetables, I just cut them in bite-sized pieces. I want to make sure that I'm able to eat them instead of eating a whole mushroom. And I kind of assume, as you see there, there's a onion. It's about half an onion, about 4 mushrooms. I do half a pepper. And I did about 3 or 4 pieces of broccoli. Usually I don't add in the broccoli, but I want to make sure that I can have enough for both of us, that we can both enjoy every piece of the vegetable. Now I put in some coconut oil. You can put in whatever coconut oil you want, but this is so we can stir it up for the vegetables itself. I put the vegetables in. I actually learned how to make an omelet by watching the people at Holmes Hall at Michigan State. So I lived in McDonald Hall during my undergrad, and I had to go out to every cafeteria there was, and I noticed that right there they had put the vegetables in first. So that was kind of something I just learned through observation. And I let the vegetables stir for about 3 to 5 minutes. It takes some time. Once I pour the eggs in, yes, they weren't all the way cracked, but however, you can kind of fudge that a little bit in the thing just by taking the spatula and moving it around. You want to make sure that the eggs are all around the vegetables. And since this is 5 eggs, it's actually a pretty hefty omelet. And I will admit, this isn't my best flip, but not even an expert is supposed to have the greatest flip. We all make mistakes. However, as you can see, I kind of take the omelet after folding it in half, and I move it to the middle. That way I can kind of organize it and see how it is, so I can make sure that it's actually working out perfectly as is. So then there you go. There's the omelet all put up in there, and it's put up in the spot where in the middle where I can divide it in half and split it for the two of us.